We'll guide you through how to make shine effect in Davinci Resolve. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the application on your computer and waiting for it to load completely. Once the software is ready, create and open a new project so you can start working in a clean editing environment. After the project opens, go directly to the Edit tab, where you will prepare the footage for the effect. Import your video into the media pool and make sure the file appears correctly before continuing. Next, drag the video from the media pool onto timeline. Locate the specific section where you want the shine effect to appear, then cut the clip so the effect can be applied only to the desired area. When the clip is prepared, open the Fusion page to access the node-based compositing tools. In Fusion, add a merge node to the node structure. After that, add a B-spline node as well, which will be used to create the custom shape for the shine effect. Begin drawing and adjusting the shape with the B-spline tool, carefully tracing the area where you want the shine animation to appear. Take your time refining the shape so it matches the subject or object in the video as accurately as possible. Once the shape is ready, open the inspector panel to access the controls for the selected nodes and effect settings. Adjust the available settings according to your needs, making changes that help achieve the brightness, softness, and overall appearance you want. Continue fine-tuning the effect until it looks natural and fits the style of your project. After adjusting the main settings, modify the frequency settings in the curves menu to refine the animation and improve the movement of the shine effect over time. Make small adjustments and review the changes as you work to ensure smooth and visually pleasing results. When the effect setup is complete, and preview the video. Finally, export the video using your preferred render settings.